Hey guys, I'm back, and today I am going to make hand sanitizer, which I hardly know how to, but my family taught me to. Okay, so and second, and third, I think. My mom, ew. Ew, this is so gross. Yeah. I think I just found the hole. That did nothing. I was trying to aim for the hole. How does my family do this? Ew. Okay guys, turns out vitamin E vitamins, the vitamins, were actually pretty messy. Ew. And by the way, I think I got some in my mouth. 1, 2, 3. And I think I just made it. But it's still pretty chunky. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done. Not for so much. Ew. Does anyone else have troubles making hand sanitizer? I guess not, because no one knows how to. I don't know if these are air bubbles or not. Okay, just has to be in a spray bottle. I just made more, but that's something. Okay, this has to be in a spray bottle, and thanks for watching, and comment down below if you have any trouble making hand sanitizer. Bye, and subscribe. I had a lot of troubles. You might need a little help next time you make this, because next time I will need a little help. And this stinks. Okay, bye, guys.